Alright guys, let's talk about 5 different side hustles that you can start doing this holiday season to earn additional cash because, let's be real, holiday expenses can get a little crazy. What? Alright, let's jump into it. Number 1 on our list today is Pinterest affiliate marketing. So in case you've never heard of this concept before, pretty much the way the Pinterest affiliate marketing works is that you can make money by creating Pinterest posts and pins that include affiliate links. You can earn commission every time somebody goes to your link and makes a purchase. So obviously Pinterest affiliate marketing is something you can do all throughout the year. I've made some videos about it before, but the reason why this can be a very lucrative side hustle around this time of the year is because, once again, we're in the holiday season. This is where people tend to shop more than usual for gifts and different things for the end of the year. And a lot of people are always looking for different ideas for gifts and decorations and Christmas related things on Pinterest. So some of the profitable niches that you can pick on Pinterest, especially this time of the year, would be things like holiday gift ideas, holiday home decor. I'm currently making a ton of pins with ugly Christmas sweaters. A lot of brands are currently also offering higher affiliate commission because of the holiday season. So in terms of the earning potential, once again, this can really vary. Obviously, when you're first starting out, you're probably not going to see that much, but depending on the niche and traffic, you can earn anything from a few dollars all the way to hundreds of dollars if your pins go viral. So I'm actually currently actively utilizing my Pinterest board. So if you want to know how this goes, let me know in the comments down below. So number 2 on our list is print on demand. So if you've been in this whole make money online niche for quite some time, I'm sure you're familiar with print on demand. Pretty much, print on demand allows you to design custom items like t-shirts, mugs, and holiday decor, which are printed and shipped whenever a customer places an order. Pretty much, the company only produces and ships the t-shirts once the order is actually placed. So what you can do around this time of the year is create different t-shirt or mug or like any type of merch design that you know would be very popular during the holiday season. So for example, right now, I'm once again creating a lot of ugly Christmas sweaters, Thanksgiving oriented shirts, or, Hanukkah type of shirts, or whatever is the big holiday in your culture or in your country right now. So I previously created an entire print on demand tutorial. The platform that I personally been using and really enjoy using is Printify, which you can find the link down below, and I'll also include my discount code if you want to test it out. But pretty much with print on demand, you can start creating different t-shirt designs that you can then also pin on platforms like Pinterest or include on Etsy. And once again, this is perfect for the holiday season because you don't have to risk your money by investing in an inventory that may not sell during the holiday season. Now, in terms of the earning potential, again, this can really vary. Obviously, at first, you may not see that much money, but eventually you can make 4 or even 5 figures per month with print on demand. Actually, some YouTubers claim that they make 6 figures a month with print on demand. So this is actually the business that my husband and I have been testing out recently and already started seeing some results. And we specifically started seeing the uptick in this holiday season. So if that's something that you want to test out, once again, I'll include my tutorial as well as the link to Printify down below. So number 3 on our list is seasonal customer service. So if you're more interested in making money right away and you don't really want to go through the whole process of starting a business online, seasonal customer service is something that is always in high demand. Saying as somebody who used to work in staffing and recruiting, so many companies such as Amazon, Walmart, Sephora, all these big retailers always need additional help during the holiday season. The nice thing about customer service, especially seasonal customer service, is that you don't technically have to have a ton of experience, and sometimes you can just pick up like a few extra shifts here and there. And by customer service, it can also be something like inside of retail stores, so it can also be online customer service. And as a customer service rep, you can do anything such as handle customer inquiries, process returns, answer any questions, and things like that. Now, in terms of the earning potential, the nice thing about the holiday season is that the rates are usually slightly higher than they normally are. So as a customer service rep, you can expect to make anywhere between $15 to $25 an hour. Obviously depends on where you are located and the complexity of the work itself. But here's some of the tips for maximizing your earnings. So you can look for some companies that offer overtime rates or bonuses during high demand periods. You can also take as many hours as possible to give yourself a temporary boost during the season. And then again, this is not applicable for every industry, but if you are able to pick something up where there are tips involved, people tend to be very generous during the holiday season. So that could be an extra way for you to make additional income. So number 4 on our my list is Amazon Flex. So in case you've never heard of Amazon Flex before, this is actually a slightly new concept to me, but pretty much Amazon Flex is a delivery service where drivers pick up packages from Amazon warehouses and deliver them to customers. This one could be perfect if you don't really want to deal with people or work with people during the holidays and you just want to, I don't know, drive around and handle packages, which could be a pretty relaxing job. And you know, it's a little bit more physical rather than sitting in front of a computer or sitting on the phone. Amazon Flex could be a great option for you. So pretty much the way it works is you can sign up for Amazon Flex, schedule shifts, pick up packages, and deliver them. During the holidays, there's a huge demand for delivery packages, and so many of these companies are hiring additional delivery drivers. And as Amazon Flex driver, you can make anywhere between $18 to $25 an hour, once again, depending on where you live. And then last but not least is you can sign up to be a DoorDash or an Instacart delivery driver. So in case you're not familiar, DoorDash and Instacart are delivery services that let you earn money by delivering food and groceries to people's homes. This can be a really great job if, for example, you're not like super physically fit to where you can't like lift like heavy packages or anything like that, and you would rather handle groceries at local stores, which also means that there's going to be less driving. Signing up for one of these services could also be a really great additional option to earn some money. Plus, it is also one of those things where you can earn tips on your deliveries. So I've actually heard of several people who have done DoorDash or Instacart before, and the thing that they like the most about it is that it is a very flexible job, so you can either accept or decline different delivery opportunities. And once again, tips are involved, so that could be an additional great way to make money, and you can just use your own car and your own vehicle. Now, in terms of the earning potential, so obviously during the holidays, the earnings are going to be a little bit higher than usual, but pretty much as a delivery driver, you can earn between $15 to $30 per hour, with peak times bringing higher tips and bonuses. Now, from what I heard, there are also some holiday promotions that are available as well, so that's something that I would check or ask when you're signing up. And I really hope that as many people as possible will sign up for this service, because I'm one of those people who always forgets like 1 or 2 ingredients while I'm cooking my holiday meals. So grocery delivery drivers are lifesavers. All right, and that is pretty much it for me today, guys. And in general, if you enjoy content about side hustles and different ways that you can make money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss my next video. Enjoy the holiday season, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!